I ran out of memory. Just kidding. The sound it makes is really cool. It's so delayed. It's like it goes off and then you hear it.
Did you see the lead line going up the wall?
Oh my God, no.
You didn't see it?
You could see with your eye?
Yeah.
I couldn't see
it's
it.
It's like a little flashlight that goes
oh,
up really quick.
no, I couldn't see that. So when I play it.
When you play it on, if you watch it, you might not right now. You might not be able to see it so bright, but when you get home, where it's a little bit darker, you can see it.
Oh, it's still recording.